niaje. Poa. Haya tushaisha. Tumeshinda 2-1. Yetu ilikuwa ya kwanza. Slow.
Goal number 1 for Eritrea, scored by shot number 7. The Royal testify Yosef. Egole soka eyegwangira Eritrea.
Okay. Musa.
Goal number 1 for Eritrea, scored by shot number 7. The Royal testify Yosef. Egole soka eyegwangira Eritrea. Etebeto omuzanyi ayambadde omujozi namba 7. Royal testify Yosef. Eritrea emu Zanzibar 0.
Simtu aende. Nani kwamba?
Let me try to look for one. Let me try to look for one.
Okay. Atakebe. Sasa check down wangapi? Down wangapi wanavutia? Kila mahali. Hii ni yote Uganda yote. Ni wengi. Out of the solution bus. hata sile hivi haifanyi. Hebu jaribu idunge uone kama itachaji. Ikichaji inaonyesha ngamali.
Si lazima simu ita vibrate. Lakini huwezi fanya.
Kwa nini hizo du?
Haiwezi du. Sima kwa hizo grip zake, hizo siri zake zimeisha.
Goal number 2 for Eritrea, scored by shot number 19, Simon Asmela Mekonnen. Goal number 3, eyatimya Eritrea, etebeddwa omuzannyi ayambadde omujoozi namba 19, Simon Asmelashe Mekonnen. Eritrea 2, Zanzibar 0.
Come on. Yeah?
So that you want. So that you want.
No good, it's okay. No, let's put it down. Yeah, okay.
These are even more than the ones of Uganda.
And there goes the halftime whistle. It's Eritrea 3, Zanzibar 0. Referee mpira guwumuzaamuko Eritrea ekyabala goals 3 ate nga Zanzibar ekyalina 0. Update from Gulu. It's 45 minutes. Tanzania 1, Uganda 0.
Okay. Yes. No, maybe it's yours. Yeah, I'm good. It's yours.
Goal number 4 for Eritrea, scored by shot number 7. Mewayel Tesfaye Yosef. Egole yokuna ya Eritrea etebetwa Mayowel Tesfaye Yosef. Omusanya yambadde omujozi namba musanvu. Eritrea nya Zanzibar 0.
It's not clear. Why is that? That's the network. Airtel. The same that I was using. But now look, people are like 500 now. So
Yeah,
should
they're
we-
511.
should we stop? No. We continue, huh?
Yeah. Let's just continue, even if it's not clear.
Maybe it will be clear because I'm trying to even bring this one closer.
No, if it's not clear, then I can't do the interview.
I know, close. When it's closer, it's better. Or you were saying you will go down there.
Yeah, we want to go down. Yeah, next one.
That's okay. You see, it's clear. You see it's back. I have noticed something.
Yeah.
This phone, I will not put it in my pocket. I will put it there. So that this, it is using the hotspot. It's coming clear then, boy.
Going out to shot number 5, Hamon Pesehaye Johans. Going in is Yosef Membrantu, shot number 13. Ethiopia yakoze mwenkyukakyuka bayingizamu Yosef Membrantu yazi namba 13 ne bajjayo Hamon Pesehaye Johans yazi namba 5. Goal number 5 for Eritrea, scored by shot number 10, Ali Sulaiman Ibrahim. Eritrea efunye number 5, Ali Sulaiman Ibrahim yagitebye ayambadde omujozi number 10. 5 bwerere.
Tuliwachapa sisi. Yeah. Unajua walichapwa watano na Tanzania pia waliwachapa watano. Sisi tukawachapa 5. Ama wachapa 5.
And there goes the full-time whistle. It's Eritrea 5.
They're already counting.
Look now, they're 31 already. 43. They're like this.
سيكفر سبورت من عالم